Hello and welcome. This is a quick video to show you how to upload your MMM data. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your data is correctly prepared. You can check out the previous video for that. That's called How to Prepare Your Data. So ideally, everything is lined up in order for date is sorted. There are no dollar signs, no commas. Everything is clean. You have your sales and all your media spends in different tabs here, nice and organized, your competitor data if you want. So let's get started. Once you create an MMM, you're going to have to enter in your model name, your country, your start and end date, as well as your brand strength, which will affect your base. A new entry brand has a smaller base than a leading brand. Finally, our KPI is sales, and we're going to upload our KPI data now. So we're going to hit Open Spreadsheet. And in here, you'll have a blank Excel sheet where you'll copy paste your MMM data from the document you've prepared. So we'll grab these two columns here. I'm going to copy those, come back and paste them. Okay. Now, if we scroll up, you can see date and sales. We indicate the frequency, which is weekly, the date column, that is the date column, and the KPI column, which is sales. We hit upload, and that's it for our sales data. The next screen is to enter your spend data. So the first thing you want to put in is your product name, and then finally your media factors, which is your spend. So if I go back here, I can see Google. My Google spend is all nicely lined up here. I'm going to copy paste all of that. That includes your spend, your date, and any other relevant information that you might want. But we'll keep it simple for today. So I'm going to go here, add new media factor, enter Google as a media name. We're going to select, this would be probably search. So we'll go under digital and select search and submit. The next step is adding your data to this. So we're going to edit data upload, pretend this is blank. We're going to copy paste our Google data here from the other sheet. And you can see it. KPI column is spend, date column is called date, and the frequency is weekly. We're going to upload this. Okay, let me repeat that a few times just so you get the idea. We're going to grab all our social media data from this tab, copy it, come in here, add a new factor, channel, social, and the type is social, submit, edit data, upload, pretend this is empty, copy paste. You can scroll up to make sure it's all there and all good. Date, platform spend. Our KPI column in this case is spend, our frequency is weekly, and our date column is called date. We're going to upload that. So you'll want to repeat that process for all of your media channels. I'm capped at 5 minutes here, so I'm going to skip ahead. We got TV, out of home, promotions, competitor. So the next thing we're going to do is select our non-media factors. So in some cases, there may be some macroeconomic data that Arima has that we can add to your model to show how much it's contributing or taking away from your total revenue. So in this selection, you can do things like COVID cases, population growth, CPI or GDP, S&P, motor vehicle sales, and so on. So anything here that you think makes sense to your brand or your company, you might do that. So in this case, I'll select COVID cases. Finally, you can add competitor data. There's two ways to do this. If your product name, if we're Pepsi, in our case, then we would do Coca-Cola or Coke. We'll just do Coca-Cola. And then from here, you can actually select to use search volume. So the search volume will compare your search volume, your product name, against your competitor. And to give you an idea of the share of voice, I believe is the term for that. So that is one way to do it. The other is to use your own data. You can upload that and just grab it from your sheet here as well. Copy paste that in and make sure you're selecting competitor sales as a KPI. So now that you've added all your media factors, your non-media factors, and your competitors, the last thing you need to do is hit upload model. And from there, we'll take it and process it and get back to you with a finished result. So this is a quick video. Message me if you have any more in-depth questions. There'll be another video on how to create subchannels coming in the near future. Thank you.